Good morning, friends. My name is K. Chauhan. Today we have to study about chapter number 3, coordinate geometry. Okay. So first off, we start the situation of the number line. Okay. First, in the number line, we have study on number line. Here is the suppose one number line is the one is a 0, 1, 2, 3. And here -1, -2 and -3. We know about the number line in the chapter number 1. Every real number is this is the real number, this is the real number. Every real number represented by the unique point on the number line. Unique point on the number line. And every unique point on the number line and every point on the number line represent the unique real number. Okay, this is the unique real numbers also. Thus every point on the number line is a graph or location single number on line. Okay, in graphical way is the single number digit number in on number line. Okay, single digit number લોકેટ કરશે મીન્સ લોકેશન દેશે કેમાં નંબર લાઈનનું કોનું સિંગલ વેથી is the single point 1 2 3 -1 2 3 is a single point, but we have to proper position, we have to learn by proper position any point of the we have to proper position is the coordinate. Suppose coordinate is a 1 2 -3 and 7. This is the coordinate. Then coordinate we have to proper location, which is we have to find this is the location 1 2 location -3 7. So then we should have to help about coordinate geometry. Okay, so we learnt about the coordinate geometry in the Cartesian coordinate system. First Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, first Cartesian coordinate system. What is the Cartesian coordinate system? First of all, study about the Cartesian plane. First Cartesian plane. What is the Cartesian plane? Anyone knows Cartesian plane? What is the Cartesian plane? Cartesian plane is the draw two number line. Two lines we have to study here. Two lines here. First and here second. Any two lines, draw two perpendicular lines in the plane. Here is the plane, two perpendicular lines we have drawn. Okay, here one is the horizontal and other one is a vertical. One is horizontal and other one is horizontal, and is the locate intersection is called origin. Origin which is represented by capital O. Okay, it's called origin. This is the horizontal line is called x-axis. And is the vertical line is called y-axis. Clear? Here in the Cartesian plane, what is the Cartesian plane? Two lines are perpendicular. Two lines intersection in origin O, and horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis. Right? We have to next point is that here next point is that both axes are is called coordinate axis. Both axes is called coordinate axis. And here's the all plane is called coordinate plane. Is the all plane is called coordinate plane. Okay, we have to first of we have to study is in chapter number 3 is coordinate geometry is first Cartesian system. In Cartesian system is the Cartesian plane is called to Cartesian. What is the Cartesian plane? This is the Cartesian plane. Is plane means draw a perpendicular, two perpendicular lines, one intersects in origin O, and this which is the horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis. Okay, and is the both axis is called coordinate axis, and this is the plane is the coordinate plane in Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, this is the Cartesian plane. We studied about the Cartesian plane. So now next topic. Now we have to here is Cartesian plane, and if the both axes are here is the x-axis and here is y-axis. Okay, this is the plane is the all coordinates are x-axis is line is the number system, x coordinates are positive direction is the positive direction, both all the numbers in x-axis yani on horizontal line is the positive integers, positive numbers, and here is the negative numbers. Okay, should here as it is y-axis, that what is the y-axis, that here is upper number is the all number is the positive and negative numbers are should be down. Okay, now we have to consider this the fourth coordinate. We have the fourth quadrants. First quadrant, here is first quadrant, here is second quadrant, here is third quadrant, and here is fourth quadrant. Okay, here is fourth quadrant. So we have the first quadrant, here is the second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. First quadrant, all axes, all both are first positive and positive. X-axis is positive and y-axis is positive. We have to learn about the something new. There is the all the points on the x-axis is the coordinate point on x-axis, and here is the points are on y-axis is called coordinate point of the y-axis. This is the y in the first quadrant. All the numbers in the first quadrant it's have a first x-axis is positive and y-axis is also positive, so both coordinate points are positive. Okay, and second quadrant x coordinate represent is negative, so is the negative, and y-axis is represent positive line. So second quadrant is second quadrant have a minus plus sign, yani ki x coordinate is negative, y coordinate should be positive. And third quadrant here is x-axis number line is called negative. The first is negative point coordinate, and y-axis here y-axis should be comparing, this is also negative, so is the both are negative, yani ki third quadrant is the here third quadrant should be negative and negative, yani x coordinate points also negative and y coordinate also negative. Here fourth quadrant has x coordinate is positive, right, and y coordinate negative. So fourth quadrant x coordinate positive, y coordinate negative. Here put. Okay, first remember that here's the Cartesian plane. Horizontal line is called x-axis, vertical line is called y-axis, and this is the fourth quadrant. This first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Okay, in the way first quadrant have x coordinate also positive, y coordinate also positive, because x number line is the positive and y is positive. Okay, here coordinate negative. Which is negative? X axis. X coordinate is negative because number line is called second coordinate x-axis is represent negative and y-axis represent positive. In the second quadrant, negative and positive, right? X is negative, y is positive. Here third quadrant both coordinate r should be negative and fourth quadrant x axis should be positive and y axis should be negative. This is the all about the fourth quadrant. Okay, here we also represent that x axis, x coordinate here x, and here is x dex, here is y, and here is y dex. Okay, we have to write, we can write that x o y is the plus first coordinate, x dex o y is the second quadrant minus plus, and x dex o y dex is called negative. X o y dex is called positive negative, fourth quadrant, first, second, third, and fourth. Okay, that's it. This is the simple logic. Okay, now this is the point on next topic. And one is the, remember that x-axis also called abscissa. Okay, abscissa, and y-axis called ordinate, which is ordinate. Okay, now